At Beyond Wow Plumbing, our mission is simple yet powerful: to redefine the plumbing industry by delivering service that's light years ahead. Beyond Wow. When plumbing problems strike, homeowners often face stress, delays, and unprofessional service that leaves them frustrated and their problems unresolved.
Recently, I had a drain that was backing up.
I had a pipe clogged with some construction debris.
At Beyond Wow Plumbing, we're more than plumbers. We're experts at exceeding expectations.
Zen came out and looked at it, and I was actually out of town at the time, so we handled that part over the phone.
When he first came in, he was just very kind and said, we've got a lot of different ways that we can approach this. Let's go talk about it. And it was really kind of disarming because I'm not used to that in contractors.
Our friendly licensed technicians arrive on time, respect your space, and use advanced tools and techniques to ensure the job is done right the first time.
They've been very prompt. When I've called in, we've been able to get someone out within a day or even the same day.
I think it took him maybe 20 minutes to clear the line, and we sat there and chatted while we poured water down the drain.
The best part? You'll be saying wow long before we're done. Because at Beyond Wow, it's about more than just the fix. It's about your peace of mind and the smile that comes with it.
Short and sweet, fixed in about 2.5 hours, and everything works perfectly now.
I just can't believe I didn't call y'all first.
You won't find a team like this anywhere else.
If I had someone call me now and want a plumber, I would definitely recommend Beyond Wow. They're very professional, courteous, take care of the problem, get it done, and you don't have to worry about it anymore.
Beyond Wow Plumbing, service that's light years ahead.